Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable developer options in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down. Now at first if I open developer options, just go to about phone and then go to software information. Now here you can see build number. If you want to enable developer options in your phone, just tap on 7 times on build number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then you have to type your current pin or pattern. Then tap on continue and you can see developer mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you go back, and that's it. Now from here you can customize any settings as you want. Now I will show you how to disable developer options. At first open up your settings app again and then scroll all the way down. Then go to developer options. Now you have to just tap here to disable developer options. And it's done. You can see developer options has been disabled successfully. And then go back and it's done. And that is how you can disable developer options in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.